Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.